Hello buddy, welcome back to Corey's Outdoor Adventures. Today I'm litter picking, the local pickers today, picking up all this rubbish. There's a freezer door here, or fridge door. So yeah, we're picking up all this rubbish. Just look how many cans are here. So yeah, let's get picking some of this rubbish up as well. So yeah, let's get picking up this rubbish. Broken glass down here as well. Nearly dropped the camera. So yeah, I'll be just here picking some of these. Look at all this rubbish. Got some coconut oil as well. Someone set fire to it. Not good. That's nearly a bag full. Just cherry coke. Loads. Put you here. Hope you can see. Yeah, look at all these Coke cans everywhere. Not good. That's nearly a full bag just of like cherry coke. Nearly a full bag of cherry coke. Crazy. Nearly a full bag. This is crazy. Why can't people just bin the rubbish? Put it in a blue bin. Simple. Simple. Put it in the blue bin, guys. Don't litter. Just look at all this rubbish. What the actual hell? Rubbish everywhere. Crazy. More Cherry Coke cans, nearly a bag full now. Nearly a bag full of Cherry Coke. Billet pole, plastic bag. Nearly a full bag of Cherry Coke, guys. Crazy. Kind of looks down here. It's looking much cleaner now, guys. Down here, got some more Coke cans here. All down here, just Cherry Cokes. Someone must love Cherry Coke. Finding Monster cans now, more Cherry Coke. Broken glass, not good for your dogs. Not good for the dogs that ain't. More rubbish. Go and get the fridge door now. Now tell me, why would someone chuck a fridge door? Wow, fridge door. Someone didn't want their fridge. Oh well, time for council to pick it up. More Cherry Coke. This is crazy. The amount of Coke cans around here, it's just... Why? I've also found an empty bottle of vodka as well. So yeah, people leaving the rubbish around. All this in here, guys, is just like a full bag of cherry Coke, not even bits of litter in there. Well, some litter in there, some bags as well, but mainly it's just all Coke cans. Yeah, Coke cans. Yeah, this is where we are. So I'm gonna go up to the top and pick the rest of this mess up, but it looks much better without them Coke cans around. Unfortunately, I don't have a litter picker, as I've lost mine. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye for now.